Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, everyone. My name is Windy Yusniantika. I am as a student college of Uniska in English education. Here I will present a task from qualitative research class. I took an article from Rina Devianti. The year is 2017. The title of article is Bahasa Sebagai Cermin Budaya, and the journal is called Jurnal Tarbiyah, volume 24, number 2. Okay, next I will present the five elements that we will break down this research. First is research question. Second, theoretical background. Third, methodology. Fourth, result and discussion. And the last is conclusion. Okay, for research question. As far as I read the article, I got that the research doesn't present a single explicitly stated research question, but the central focus and guiding inquiry of the research can be understood as how does language function as a reflection of culture, and what are the implications of these relationships. So I cannot state it which page for the research question is. Next is theoretical background. The theoretical background of this research is primarily drawn from the fields of linguistic, sociolinguistic, and cultural studies. It involves various theories and concepts that explain the relationship between language and the culture. These theories and definitions provide the framework for the research, guiding the author's exploration of the relationship between language and culture. I'll continue to the methodology. The research methodology employed in this article is primarily qualitative and can be characterized as a conceptual analysis of or theoretical exploration. In summary, the research methodology is characterized by its emphasis on conceptual exploration, theoretical discussion, and the use of examples to illustrate the complex relationship between language and culture. And then results and discussion. The results and discussion, I got that they are integrate into the ongoing analysis and argumentation throughout the article, rather than they are being separated into distinct sections. I got the results is the author presents definition of language and culture from various experts. And then the discussion, the author discusses the implications of these definitions and how they contribute to the understanding of the language culture relationship. And then next, the result of their analysis, the author provides examples of how cultural differences are reflected in language, then followed by an explanation of how these examples illustrate the connection between language and culture. That's as a discussion. And then next to the conclusion. The conclusion of this research article is presented in the section titled Closing or Conclusion. The conclusion reiterates the strong connection between language and culture and stresses the importance of language in human life and cultural identity, particularly within the Indonesian context. And this is the key points of the conclusion that I got. First, intertwined relationship. Language and culture are distinct but closely related to the point of being inseparable. And the second, culture's reflection in language. Language is heavily influenced by culture, with everything in a culture being mirrored in the language. And the third, language and thought. Language is influenced by the way humans or the speaking community think. And the fourth, equal positioned. The relationship between language and culture is equal, inherent in humans. Okay, and next, did it have all characteristic, all qualitative research? What are the evidence? Okay, here that I got. The research demonstrates several key characteristics of qualitative research. So this article is a qualitative research, and then including a focus on in-depth understanding, emphasis on meaning and interpretation, use of conceptual analysis, rich description and examples, a holistic perspective, and the author's interpretation. Okay, that's all that I can present to you. Thank you so much for the attention.